Chris Braswell, Braswell Construction Group, located in Greensboro, Georgia. Originally got in the construction industry coming out of high school. One of my friends was a builder and had an opportunity to do all his roofs and kind of took it from there. We've been in business for over 22 years, installing Brava for the last 15 years or so. We're one of the larger Brava installation companies in the U.S. Brava offers a wide range of products, shake, to slate, to Spanish tile. Their quality of products is the best of the best, performs and looks better than most of all their competition. And I've installed pretty much everything. In Georgia, the main problem with the roofing products is that a lot of the products don't stand up well in this harsh, humid, hot environment. So a lot of the people that want cedar shake or currently have cedar shake are realizing that it's not a good fit for this humid environment. So a lot of people are starting to move towards the synthetic products. We've been coming out to Lake Oconee and Greensboro area for the last 20, 25 years. And I've always known Dreambuilt to be one of the biggest, nicest luxury builders at the lake. When we moved out here about 11 years ago full time, I started pursuing them pretty heavily because they are the best of the best in the area, and their quality and luxury products that they put out just really hit the mark for that custom clientele that we're looking for, and the products that we offer just fit well with them. So I started working on them pretty hard to use some of the synthetic roofs that they weren't familiar with as much. After some pretty good convincing, they finally gave us a shot in installing a Brava roof, and then it kind of took off from there. And now, probably 80% of the jobs that they do, they're speccing Brava, shake, or slate on the roofs. I think as a company, Brava has hands down stand out as one of the best companies to work with. If there's a problem, they fix it. If there's an issue, they respond. If I have a question, they help me. Products are fantastic. I've worked with pretty much all the specialty products in the market, and Brava's always been at the top of the game as far as quality and aesthetics and looks. With Dreambuilt, all of their projects are so grand and luxury, it just doesn't make sense to put a standard asphalt roof on the project. The houses deserve to have a product like Brava Shake or Brava Slate. It just brings them to the next level.